it is Thursday. I guess it's afternoon now. It's like 12:30. I am just making some lunch. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm making. And then I have a lot of soap and bath bombs, and I have bubble bars to make. I have a whole bunch of stuff to make this afternoon, so I just thought I would show you what I'm doing today. Look at this funny address. Kris Kringle Drive, North Pole. No, they're getting a dinosaur egg. These are the Small Town Parade soap labels for the soap of the month. I'm just going to get those cut, and then I'm going to wrap the soap up. So this is the wrap in the soap. I cleaned down the edges so they're all cleaned up. And so you just fold it over. And I will be putting it over here to seal it in the biodegradable seal. So you just push this down. And then it is sealed. And here they are all wrapped. Small Town Parade. So here's the letter. That's gonna go with the soap. And then they're gonna get a sample. And I'm gonna package it up. So this is Butterball. This is Splash. And this is Rosie. And then there's also Tall Paul. And those are the bath bombs for the June bath bomb of the month. I'm just gonna get them all wrapped up. And then this is the letter with the information about each bath bomb. And then I will include a little sample with each. It's Kiyi, and I have some Princess Peach samples left over, so those will be going in the packages for this month. So this is the dino egg that's going to Alaska. And this is the unicorn bath bomb that is going to North Carolina. So I am making some soap. This is going to be hot process soap, and this is the beginning of it. I've mixed my oils and my lye water all together, and they're just going to cook for a little bit, and then I'm going to do the next step. I just poured the soap into the mold, and I think it looks pretty good. I'm just going to wait for it to get hardened up, and then I'm going to cut it with my mold, or my cookie cutter. And see how it goes. So here are the bubble bars I'm making. There's the mix, there's the mold, and this is how many I have made so far. They look really good. So I decided to put a heart on each one because I think it looks cute. I'll just zoom in so we don't get a shadow. I think they look really cute with the heart, but I hope other people agree with me. So yeah. Here's the back side of the soap. I just unmolded it from the mold, so here's the back. I think it looks really pretty. You just have to cut them out now. So this is the first one I cut out. And there it is. Soap on a stick. Ta-da! So here they are. And the only thing I don't really like about making cutouts like this is you get a lot of leftovers, but I put them into these triangle molds, so I guess it's not waste, but still kind of annoying. So I just realized I forgot to show you the packages in the bag. This is the number of packages I have for the Soap of the Month Club and the Bath Bomb of the Month Club, and then there's some orders in here too, but the bag. I'm kind of sad because 6 of the club members, their subscriptions are running out this month, June, and we gained 2 members, but I'm just sad whenever their subscription runs out. I don't know, I just get attached to people, I guess. But anyway, that's the packages that I got wrapped up today, so those will be going out tomorrow, which will be Friday. Hi guys, so today is Friday. It's about 11 o'clock. I am just gonna make some lunch right now. This one should be really fun. It looks like an interesting meal, so I'll show you that, and then I'm also gonna make some soap this afternoon. And then I'm gonna go to work and work until 11 tonight, so a long day. So these are the ingredients, and this is the recipe. And it's Korean beef. I have no idea how to say that. I'll have to Google that. But anyway, it looks yummy. So I'm gonna make that and we'll see how it goes. So this is how far I've gotten so far. I've got some onions and garlic and ginger, and then I've cooked all the vegetables, and I've got the rice in my Instant Pot. So all the vegetables, and then this. And I'm really enjoying cooking this. Yummy, it looks good. So meat, vegetables, and then this is the sauce that goes on top. Alright, I made some cotton candy bubble bars, and these are lumberjack. And these are North Pine. So it is Thursday, June, I don't know, I think it's like the 15th? The 13th, I think it's the 13th. Anyway, a lot of days have passed, and I'm going to end the vlog here so I can start the next vlog for next week. I am very excited. Tomorrow is the Bath Day sale, so it's International Bath Day. So it's 50% off in my shop and on Etsy, so I'm just going to start the next vlog with like all the stuff that's going to happen for that. So it's going to be a very busy week. I'm also going to a wedding on Saturday, so that's going to be in the next vlog. So I'm just going to end this vlog for this week because I kind of like, this has been a super busy week and I didn't vlog at all and I feel bad. So we're going to start over fresh next time. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.